Hi, this is Steve Esquire, and I'm the owner of Phoenix Solar Panel Systems. We help people save money by installing residential solar systems in 29 U.S. states across the country. Go to phoenixsolarpanelsystems.com or use the booking links in the description of this video to book a free solar consultation with me. I offer in-person consultations for homeowners in the Phoenix, Arizona area and virtual consultations for homeowners outside of Arizona. Or call this number right here to book a consultation with me. Here you will learn about the factors that affect the energy usage and electric utility billing in homes. The amount of energy used in homes is important because the more energy a home uses, the more electricity they must purchase from the utility company, and the higher their bills are. At Phoenix Solar Panel Systems, we offer products that increase your home's energy efficiency and cause your home to require less electricity, which saves you money. These products are insulation, smart thermostats, windows, LED light bulbs, AeroSeal air duct sealing, and variable speed pool pumps. The following factors affect the amount of energy your home uses. Number 1. Age of the home. Homes that are built within the last 5 years will be far more efficient than homes built 60 years ago. Newer homes have more insulation, more efficient windows, smart thermostats, air duct systems with less leaks, and more modern building materials. Newer homes with more insulation, more efficient windows, and modern building materials will keep the cold air in the home longer than an older home. This means the air conditioning system works less to pump new cold air in the home and thus uses less energy. New air ducts mean less cold air generated by the air conditioner is lost in the attic and more reaches the rooms in the home, making the AC unit work less. Smart thermostats have programming and learning features that use the air conditioning less when the occupants are not in the home. A homeowner with an older home that purchases a solar system, in addition to more insulation, a new air conditioning unit, new windows, a smart thermostat, and AeroSeal for their air ducts, will lower their total energy usage while paying less for each kilowatt hour they use, which typically amounts to a lot of savings. Number 2. Orientation of the home. In North America, each solar panel on a south-facing roof of a home will produce more energy than a solar panel on the western, eastern, or northern-facing roof. This is because North America is in the northern hemisphere on Earth. At the equator, the sun is directly above the homes in the sky. In the northern hemisphere, the sun is slightly in the southern sky all day long. Thus, a solar panel on the southern roof will receive sunlight all day long when solar panels on the eastern and western roofs will only receive sunlight for part of the day, morning for eastern and afternoon for western. Because the southern-facing solar panels receive more sun, they produce more energy and thus less solar panels are needed to produce the same amount of energy. Less solar panels means less equipment to purchase and a lower cost for the homeowner. Solar panels are typically never put on the north-facing roof unless absolutely necessary, as the north roof receives the least amount of sunlight of all. Solar panels on flat roofs are angled to the south to take advantage of increased sunlight and energy production. Number 3. Number of people living in the home. The amount of energy used is directly correlated to the amount of people living in the home. A couple with no children will generally use much less energy than a couple with 4 children. As children become teenagers, they tend to use much more energy because of their increased television, computer, tablet, video game, and internet usage. Teenagers are also notorious for leaving lights on throughout the home. Number 4. Energy habits of those living in the home. The biggest factor that affects the amount of energy used is the habits of the people living in the home. A family of 7 can have $700 plus bills in the summer, while another family of 7 in the same home can have $300 bills in the summer. Most of the year's energy use comes from the summer months. The temperature at which the family sets the thermostat in the summer months in the Phoenix area is the largest dictator of what the electricity bills will be. A family that keeps the thermostat at 80 degrees in the summer can pay thousands of dollars less than a family that keeps the thermostat at 72 degrees in the summer in the same home. A family that has adults working from home and kids doing school from home will generally use more energy than a family where everyone leaves the home during the day for work and school. This is especially true in the summertime because the thermostat is typically turned up when no one is in the home. Not to mention that appliance use will be far greater for families that stay at home all day. Families that only use lights in nighttime will pay less than families that use lights all day long. Families with multiple televisions, computers, and video game systems running every night will use more energy than families that don't use those appliances often. Number 5, electric cars and pools. Driving an electric car every day and plugging it into your home every night will use an extra 4,000 kilowatt hours per year. Homes that have pools will use more energy than homes without pools. Homes with old-style, non-variable speed pool pumps will use more energy than homes with modern variable speed pool pumps. Number 6, size of the home. Homes that are larger will use more energy because there is more space to cool and heat, more lights, and more appliances. Many homes in the Phoenix area have low, non-vaulted ceilings because it costs a large amount of money to cool the extra space above the 6 feet that most humans occupy. Homeowners with vaulted ceilings can expect to pay more in the summer than those with lower ceilings.
Call us at 602-753-0560 for a free consultation today.